Okay, here we are. We made a new custom step available in the SaaS GitHub repository for custom steps. Let's walk through how you can make use of the same. First, you require a SaaS visual text analytics project for obvious reasons, because if you wish to extract rule configurations, you need to have some rules defined in the first place. Here, I have made use of the publicly available data from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau website. The CFPB, as a short intro, is a US government agency which oversees consumer complaints to financial institutions. What I have here is a pipeline with two rules-based text analytics models, one for categorization and the other for information extraction, also known as concepts. If you look at the categories model, you'll grasp the scope of our problem. We choose to write rules to classify text under a long list of categories. These could be issues, sub-issues, or anything else. These rules can be generated through automation or using human expertise. A consequence is that during downstream analysis of the model, you'd expect folks to question the logic behind this model and ask to see the rule definitions. Therefore, our job is to make them accessible. For this purpose, we make use of the SaaS Studio custom step to extract natural language processing NLP rule configurations. Notice first that I basically copied the same custom step and renamed it for convenience's sake. The first approach is, given a Model Studio project, could I generate a list of all rule configuration tables within that project? For this purpose, I select the option, generate a list of rule configuration tables, and provide the system caslib of the Model Studio project. What the hell is that, you may ask? Well, simply go over to your Model Studio project, open the Data tab, and copy this section of text under Location. This is a system location and not usually accessible for all users. I paste this system location in this field and specify an output location which will hold the list required. This output table is a list indicating the individual rule configuration tables, and I use this as input for the second use case, namely extracting all rule configurations to a common location. In my case, I extract them to the public caslib. Let's run this part of the process. Then we move over to the location specified and notice the time. This indicates that our last run was successful and the tables have been extracted. When you open the table, you can take a look at the rule configuration. I've also added some additional derived columns which would help in downstream visualization and analysis, as well as governance of these rules. Now for the third use case, which is a subset of the second, what if I wanted only one rule configuration table? In such a case, identify the table you want, select extract a single rule configuration table, and provide the name of the table. Run this step and you'll notice that yes, the specific table you want has been extracted. This covers the custom step. Have fun